by making these confetti wands. And what you need to make them is tape, confetti, and leftover tinsel, and a jumbo straw. So, and this is confetti is made out of tissue paper. And if you want to add a little bit of sparkle, you can add this tinsel, the leftover tinsel. So you have the jumbo straw, and then you need to wrap this up with it. It takes a while, so don't rush. Take your time, please. And you need to not let it be knotted, or the confetti won't come out. I finished wrapping the tinsel around the straw, and now you need a piece of tape to tape the bottom of the tinsel. You put it at the bottom.
And now we're going to put some confetti inside. Take your time because we do not want them to get stuck. So just put a little bit of confetti at a time.
You might need a piece of tape on this top part, but not on this part, or the confetti will get stuck. So on this part. So this won't be kind of falling off.
This will make a little bit of a mess. It will take a while.
A very long while.
Sometimes if it doesn't go down, you might want to tap it. Not too much.
And you want to hold on to the bottom so the confetti won't be coming out.
You can use whatever color you want on this part,
but make sure you use tinsel.
He jumped on the table. It scared me.
Oh, he wants the glasses.
His name is Kobe. He's trying to get the 2020 glasses on.
It's so funny.
The cat is hogging up the space right now.
Can you see me enough?
He's hogging up the whole place.
Bad cat.
Bad cat. Hey, blocking us. He's a very nice cat. But sometimes he jumps into the picture and we can't see right behind him.
Don't knock out my confetti.
Whoa.
So
I got a lot of confetti compared to Anya. Anya has more confetti than me because I'm still working on mine.
This is how long it takes to probably get up to here. So if it gets stuck, if it doesn't go down, you can use a pencil. But you might want to use the eraser so it won't get all colored on. But you can use the pencil side. So that's in our handy dandy toys.
Now, I'm ready to blow. These are finished ones.
And if you don't pack it too much or it won't blow out. Otherwise, Happy New Year for the 4 Bandris!